Hi friends, welcome back to another new video after quite a long time. Smoking is harmful to health. In the video, you can see the smoke of a cigarette. Wow! The view of comfortably puffing an electric cigarette might fascinate you. But will this cigarette really keep you away from addiction? Or will it drown you in another new type of addiction? And is this actually good for health? Today, I am going to do a complete post-mortem of such an electric smoking kit to show you what's inside. So let's dive into the video to see what's in it. What you see in my hand is that vaping kit. It doesn't charge anymore, and it has completely stopped working. It was fixed as a one-time or disposable device. While trying to open it, the top vapor part, meaning the mouthpiece, broke. I am not opening this for reuse, which is why I am trying to do this post-mortem in a rough and ready way. While opening it, I realized that these are strictly made for one-time use. Finally, it was dismantled and taken out. Getting inside, I first found a cotton-soaked tissue box or liquid chamber, and it is extremely oily and wet, meaning the liquid of this electric cigarette is reserved inside this tissue. Next, in the upper section, I found a circuit module and a battery. Now you can see the whole kit in an exposed state. This liquid is quite slippery and has a pungent smell. The display board was connected to the circuit with some upright pins, and the circuit consists of a charging module, while a heating element or coil can be seen inside the tissue box. Now it's clear that this kit has a switch to power it on first. When turned on, as soon as you draw air through the mouthpiece, the sensor inside gets activated, and the liquid comes into contact with the heating element, burning or vaporizing to create smoke. I separated everything and reconnected the display. Now I'll check why the module wasn't working. Even after connecting the charger, it gave no response. But after observing, it seems the module itself is fine. The problem is with the battery. The battery voltage is almost zero. Now I'll disconnect one terminal of the battery. Yes. After disconnecting the battery, the module is now showing a response in charging mode. Basically, the battery was fully damaged and shorted. Throwing away the dead battery, I am connecting an old mobile battery to test if the module works. Yes, the module is completely normal and working properly. I am keeping this for use in another project. By using good modules from such broken devices, they can be utilized in various electronic projects, like 5-volt Bluetooth sound systems, LED lights, and more. So friends, this was the real post-mortem of a vaping kit. So, how does a vaping kit work? And even if it seems like an alternative to tobacco cigarettes, is it actually good for health? You can surely learn more good information about this by Googling it. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and share. Stay tuned by subscribing. Best wishes.